Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Moranbah Magistrates Court. Client was charged with low range drink driving, reading a .099. With regard to penalty, worst case is a 9-month disqualification, mandatory minimum is 1 month. That said, mid-range kicks in at 0.1, so low range is 0.05 to 0.099. Mid-range starts at 0.1, so even though my client was technically low range, he was a fraction off of mid-range. Penalty for mid-range is worst case 12, minimum 3, but as I said, my client faced worst case of 9-month disqualification, mandatory minimum 1 month, but given he was so far over the starting point of mid-range, it was highly unlikely he was going to get anywhere near the minimum 1 month. So I guess without a work licence application, which I'll talk about in a moment, I guess he could have reasonably expected me to achieve a best case of probably 6 to 8 weeks with that reading. But that said, he was eligible to apply for a DUI drink driving work licence. There's a number of prerequisites, one of them being you can't have lost your licence for any reason in the last 5 years, another being you must be the holder of an open Queensland licence. He ticked both those boxes, so he did engage me to apply for a DUI drink driving work licence. Basically the way that works is I need to draft about an 8-page affidavit up for him to sign, talking about what he does, why he needs his licence to do it, income, expenses, family situation, what happened on the day in question, etc. I've got to do about a 4-page affidavit up for his boss to sign, saying much the same thing, but also that he will lose his job if he loses his licence. I drafted all of that, filed it with the court well in advance, got my client to complete a reformatory course, which for regional persons could be done online, got him to get character references. I flew to Mackay last night, drove to Moranbah this morning, met my client at court. We went through all the paperwork, went through my submissions, what he can expect the prosecutor to say, what he can expect the magistrate to say, and obviously what he can expect me to say. We went into the courtroom, I guided my magistrate through the affidavit materials and made verbal submissions with regard to the fact that A, he will suffer severe financial hardship if he loses his licence, and B, on balance, he's a fit and proper person to be given a second chance. Given the nature of his work and given that he works in mining, he is on call and he does need to be able to drive at any time, day or night. So it was important that as a part of that work licence application, I push for a 24/7 work licence. But above and beyond all of that, given he's not from here, he's here on a work visa, he does intend to seek permanent residency and citizenship in due course. He also wanted me to apply for the non-recording of a conviction. This is not a criminal matter, it's a traffic offence. So being a traffic offence, the impact of a recorded conviction is not that it would be if it was a criminal matter, but notwithstanding, he held concerns that it may impact future visa applications. So I did push hard for the non-recording of eviction to say no conviction recorded, but again, it's a traffic matter, not a criminal matter. Look, the short version is I was successful in persuading the magistrate to grant my client's work licence application. My client was given a 3-month driver's licence suspension, which is a very good outcome given he's been given a work licence. He was permitted to continue driving for work purposes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week during that 3-month period, and I was also able to persuade the magistrate not to record a conviction. So 3-month disqualification, modest fine, work licence granted, no conviction recorded, client's very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman, thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle, imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty, this is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
face that court alone. Let the wise man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving?